Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sell coloring books on Gumroad. All right, so first up, go ahead and prepare your coloring book. All right, then once that's done, so once your coloring book is prepared, just go ahead over to your Gumroad account, go to the left panel, click on products. And then once done, click on new product. Now in here, we're going to find the option digital product. So click on it, go ahead and give it a name, for example, sample coloring book. Okay, after once done, scroll down and add in your price, for example, $5. Scroll all the way up and then click on next, customize. And in here, you can go ahead and add in your description and then scroll down, add in the cover image, select computer files or external files. It's up to you. So for example, I'm just going to use this photo right here, add in a thumbnail as well if you want to, and then scroll down, add it to the call to action, like I want this, buy this or pay, and then some more options right here. And if you do have variations, go ahead and add in some more variations. And once that's done, go ahead and go to content, click on upload files. Should it be an embedded file or computer files, a Dropbox file? So I'm just going to go ahead and select computer files. And under my desktop, I think I have it right here. Yeah. Click on open and wait for it to upload. And once that's done, click on save. This will be the product page. You can add in like an upsell, review, license key if you want to as well. And then once that's done, all you got to do is just click on publish and continue. All right. But before you can publish and continue, make sure that you have an active payouts account. And that's how you sell coloring books on Gumroad. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.